Compare these scenarios. Two people have been promoted into similar roles in the same organisation. As with stepping into any new role, the new job is challenging for both people. One person believes each of us has a set level of competence, intelligence, and skill. They're hoping the role fits with their skills and experience, and they plan to draw on their past experience to make their mark in their new role. The other person believes talents and abilities can be improved over time. They're starting the role with limited knowledge, but they feel confident that they'll learn as they go and develop to make the role a success over time. The first person has a fixed mindset. They believe people are born with a certain number of abilities and that number cannot be exceeded. The assumption is attitudes and abilities are inherently unchanging. The second person has a growth mindset, which means they believe ability can be developed, talents can be learned, and strengths can be enhanced. Here, potential is unlimited. You can always improve. The goal is to always be better today than you were yesterday. If you want to improve your performance or relationships, focusing on continuous improvement, which is about always getting better, is essential. A growth mindset is an optimistic approach that allows you to view new situations and challenges as a learning curve, an opportunity to develop and improve. Developing a growth mindset also puts you in control of how you interpret feedback, helping you to process information in the most useful way, focusing on what you can achieve in the future, not what you haven't achieved in the past. If you know that receiving feedback will help you to improve and develop, it makes the process more comfortable. If you accept that you will make mistakes and you will at times receive feedback you may not want to hear or agree with, it puts you in the driving seat when it comes to creating a growth mindset. Think about learning to ride a bike. Falling off may be painful, but necessary for you to learn what you need to do to successfully ride a bike. Of course, some feedback is factual, which is how we describe evaluative feedback. Think about exam grades, blog rankings, a pass or fail test. This feedback is factual and useful, although doesn't provide a lot of qualitative detail. Developmental feedback, however, is where you'll receive ideas and opinions from others about how you can make tweaks to your approach, improve performance, or achieve a specific outcome you want to see. This type of feedback may include ideas about how you can create a new product, or interact more successfully with others, or get better at dealing with heated situations. Utilising developmental feedback is a critical part of creating a growth mindset. Write down every piece of feedback you receive over the next week. It could be anything from someone suggesting you park your car in a different way, through to learning that your approach to a situation has upset someone. What has this process taught you about how you receive feedback?